Hello guys, so welcome back to AutoCAD tutorials. In today's session, we are going to see a small concept. If you are using AutoCAD Trueview, so you might have faced the difficulty that you are not able to search anything. I mean to say, if you want to search this beam B76, B77, B78, or example, I will take randomly B100. So what I have to do is I have to scroll within the drawing to check where our B100 is located. So to avoid this situation, what we can do is if you have Trueview, you can't use directly find function. So what we will do over here is we will give a print of our drawing in terms of PDF. Then we will press Ctrl+P and we will just give our this print as Microsoft print to PDF. If you have some lower version of Windows, lower than Windows 10, then you can use any kind of PDF plotter. Now select your window and just give a print of this. First, I will check the preview, whether it is completely covered or not. Yeah, the drawing is quite visible, so I will give a print now. So it is asking me to save our drawing first. So I will save this drawing on PC, for example, trial 2, and I will save this. So our print is ready. Then I will go on my desktop and I will just open this trial 2. So now if you want to search anything, what we can do is press Ctrl+F, give any beam that you have to search, for example, B101, hit enter. So now you can see this area is highlighted and we can easily find where our beam is located. If you want, we can also rotate our view for better clarity where exactly our drawing is or that beam is located. So here comes B101. So in Trueview, we can directly go and search where our beam B101 is there. I hope so this video was quite helpful for the person who use AutoCAD Trueview. So be with us for upcoming videos and interactive sessions. Thanks a lot.